Most people struggle with money not because they don't work hard, but because they keep making the same money mistakes. Here are 5 money mistakes keeping people poor, and how to avoid them. Mistake 1: spending before saving. Most people spend everything they earn and save what's left, which is usually nothing. Wealthy people save first, then spend what remains. Mistake 2: buying liabilities to look rich. Expensive phones, cars, and clothes don't build wealth. They drain money that could have been invested. Mistake 3: no emergency fund. One unexpected bill can destroy your finances. An emergency fund protects you from debt and stress. Mistake 4: not investing early. Waiting too long to invest is one of the biggest mistakes. Time is more powerful than the amount you invest. Mistake 5: ignoring financial education. Schools don't teach money skills. If you don't learn how money works, you'll always struggle with it. If you want more money lessons schools never teach, subscribe and start making smarter financial decisions today.